Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Focus question. What can you see at Hawaii Volcanoes National Park? Words to know: active, lava, melted, national park, protected, tunnels. A volcano wonderland. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is on an island in Hawaii. A national park is protected land. Let's read the labels on this photograph. Mauna Loa, Kilauea, and park border. There's also a small map of the entire Earth that points out where Hawaii is located and where this picture was taken. It shows two famous volcanoes in the park, Kilauea and Mauna Loa. Inside a volcano: lava, volcano, melted rock. Volcanoes form a park. A volcano begins with hot, melted rocks deep in the earth. The rocks push up through the ground. Then the rocks cool. Over time, the rocks build up into volcanoes. Two special volcanoes are in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. The top picture shows Kilauea volcano, and the bottom picture shows Mauna Loa volcano. Can you see how they look very different? One volcano in the park is very active. A river of lava flows from one of the volcanoes. Leaping lava. In 1959, one volcano shot lava higher in the air than the Eiffel Tower. That's pretty amazing. Another volcano in the park is very big. Do you see it up here? It's so tall it even has snow and ice at the top, even though it's a warm day in Hawaii. One of the park's volcanoes seen far away is covered in snow. In amazing history, Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is 520 square miles, or 1.347 square kilometers. People have come to see the volcanoes for a very long time. This caption for the photograph says, "A lava lake sits at the top of one volcano in the park." The land became a national park in 1916. Do you know who this man is? This is President Woodrow Wilson, and he made the land a national park on August 1st, 1916. There are volcanoes and lava tubes. Lava tubes are big tunnels under the ground. People can even walk through them. Here in this photograph, a visitor walks through a lava tube in the park. Would you like to do that? Wildlife at the volcano's edge. Hundreds of animals are protected in the park. For example, the green caterpillar, the nini, the apapani, and the Hawaiian happy-faced spider. Hundreds of plants are also protected in the park. For example, the Ohai lewea tree, that's hard to pronounce, the mamane, the fern, and the silver sword. Do you guys know what protected means? That means that it is against the law to damage or hurt these things. Enjoy, but watch your step. People can hike or camp in the park. The park is a home to beautiful forests. When the volcanoes are active, parts of the park close. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is fun to visit. Here, this photograph shows visitors seeing the park change before their eyes. Do you see how the park is changing? And at the end of the book, there is a glossary with some of those words from the story. You can find this book in Reading A to Z, Raz Plus. So if you would like to take a look at this book on your own, feel free to search for it. I hope you enjoyed learning more about volcanoes.